Israel has been hit by extreme weather. The Met Office has issued an orange warning. The amount of precipitation was record high. In the city of Zichron Yaakov, 196 mm of rain fell in 4 hours. This is an absolute record in Israel. Large amounts of rainfall led to floods in Zichron Yaakov, Binyamina, Juz, Darga, Magan, Machael, and other settlements. The first floors and basements of buildings were flooded. Dozens of cars ended up in the water. Rainfall also caused the main southern coastal highway to be blocked. A sudden rain fell, turning the arid lands into rivers. The hail struck the palm trees like arrows of heavenly fury. Thunderstorm erupted, mixing with water and lightning. Floods have inundated streets, causing cancer in cities. Local residents took refuge from the hail, carefully reversing their homes. The winds carried the sounds of a thunderstorm across the vast expanses of the desert. Individual raindrops flew, creating a play of light and darkness. Storm clouds shrouded the desert views in a mysterious robe. Sandfalls mixed with water currents, creating chaos. The storm tested the resilience of the Arab settlements. The light of lightning illuminated the minarets of mosques, creating mysterious silhouettes. The hailstone sounded, pounding on the roofs like a ritual drum of nature. The flood evacuated the desert oasis, bringing moisture to the arid landscape. The water in the rivers suddenly rose, filling the beds of dry riverbeds. Local residents turned to firefighters, asking for protection from the elements. The hail distorted the appearance of the sand dunes, creating new forms of nature. Israel has been hit by extreme weather. The Met Office has issued an orange warning. The amount of precipitation was record high. There were no reports of casualties.